In this tutorial, we'll set up a multi-part type product. In their default and simplest form, these products are used to allow your end users to directly upload PDF artwork files against a specific product. By uploading PDFs against a specific product, you can benefit from all of the product-based features. This is things such as customized landing pages, attribute application and selection, and advanced pricing capabilities. Building on this basic capability, multi-part products have a wide-ranging set of capabilities, always allowing the upload of PDFs, however providing additional options such as limited PDF validation, the upload of separate PDFs into a single product, and much more. These extended capabilities are mostly available by writing config script, and at the time of writing are not part of the core Infigo set of user interface settings. We will not be focusing on these extended capabilities in this tutorial. If you require additional information, please get in touch with our support team. So we're going to start off by creating a new multi-part product. We'll do this just by navigating to our product management screen. And then we're going to go to add a new product. Give that product a name and make sure that you've selected multi-part from the drop-down. If you can't see multi-part, then you may need to activate it on your particular storefront. There's a separate tutorial on this, but you can just navigate to the admin area settings and enable the multi-part product type. So our product's now created, and I'm just going to straight away go to View Product Page. This will take us to our product on the front end of our storefront so we can view it as our users would view it. Remember, you will need to be logged in as or impersonating a storefront administrator to do this. Platform administrators will not be able to view the front end of a particular storefront. We'll click on Start to launch the interface for the multi-part product. What we can see here is the default multi-part product editor. It contains several distinct areas. We have a selected options area over on the left-hand side, which shows our requested quantity of the product. We have a number of uploads area. This is informing our user of how many files they're expecting to be uploaded. And we have the actual upload area itself, which can either be clicked to launch a file browser, or files can be drag and dropped into it. When a file has been uploaded, the user, as you saw then, will be presented with a progress bar. Once uploaded, a preview of the first page of the uploaded file will be displayed to the user. Users can then proceed to the next step, where they'll first be able to preview the full PDF and then add the products to their basket. Now, as mentioned earlier, there are many additional configuration options available within the multi-part product type, and this is via the config script. There are, however, a few additional pieces of functionality which can be made available as part of the multi-part window without any additional scripting. And we'll take a look at enabling these, which consists of, so you can display selected attributes, and attributes are things such as materials, finish, size, that kind of thing. We can provide a downloadable PDF template for our customers. And we can add some upload instructions to ensure that the files that you receive as part of the order are correct. So to begin, I'm going to go back to the back end of this product and navigate to its product variant settings. So we'll start off with the ability to download a sample file, which might be something like a die line or some additional instructions or a template. So on the product variant screen, under the info tab, you can scroll all the way down to downloadable product. That reveals a few extra options. I can go has sample download file, and then I can upload the file that I want our customers to be able to download. Once that's done, make sure that you actually save the page. Now next, we'll add some attributes to the product, which will be displayed on the selected options section of the multi-part product page. Now, if you're following one of our learning pathways, you may not have come across attributes yet. This is covered at a later date. Alternatively, there are a number of resources available on the Infigo Academy covering creating attributes and placing them into your products. As a reminder, attributes are selections that you give to your users to define the specification of a product. So they could be, for example, materials, stock, size, finish, color, whatever you need. We're going to start off by clicking on the Attributes tab, go to Add New Record, and in this example, I'm going to add several example attributes which have already been configured on this storefront. Now, you will not be able to replicate this step if you've not yet configured any attributes, and will not be creating the attributes as part of this tutorial. And again, make sure you save. Now, finally, we're going to take a look at adding some upload requirements to our multi-part product window. Now, this allows us to define text, imagery, and more with the aim of informing users of the requirements of any uploaded file. And we get to this by going on the multi-part config. This will take us specifically to the settings of our multi-part product. And what we're going to do is input text into the upload requirements section. Now, by default, this is a rich text editor where text can be directly input and formatted. As with many areas in Infigo, content can be displayed into this field directly as HTML using the Code Mirror editor or via the use of our content template functionality. Now, before we leave this page, I'm just going to draw your attention to this custom script section here. The more advanced features available using the multi-part products that I've mentioned a few times and are not covered in this tutorial specifically are enabled by writing script config into this custom script area. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on save. And then I'm going to navigate back to our product to see these changes. So based on our changes, we can now see several new pieces of information available as part of the multi-part product editor. So our selected options area now contains details of our selected attributes. A sample PDF download is available on the top right of the screen, which will just directly allow us to download that file we uploaded. And then we see a new section has been introduced in yellow on the bottom left, and this contains the upload requirements that we've input for the product.